Welcome to Dare to Disney. Today we're going to do an Alice in Wonderland spring home decor tutorial. For this project, you'll need a piece of cardboard, some fake moss, 2 different kinds of ribbon, either a wooden letter or a small flat piece of wood, alphabet stickers, these ones are slightly raised, a pair of scissors, a box cutter, a pencil, a marker, a paintbrush, some sort of sturdy paper or cardstock, and chalk paint. I got white and brown. I started by taking a pencil and doing a light sketch on the cardboard of what I wanted the hat to look like. Then I took a marker and went over the lines that I wanted to cut out. Then I took this Olfa knife, any box cutter will work, and I cut around the lines that I traced. Then I'm taking this roll of moss that I got at Michael's and measuring out how much I'll need. Then apply some sturdy glue to the entire hat. Once the moss is glued on and dried, go ahead and flip it over and cut around the outside. When you cut, be sure to leave a 1/4 of an inch allowance around the entire outside of the hat. Next, take some hot glue and glue the allowance that you made to the edges of the hat. Now I'm taking some burlap ribbon and measuring how much I'll need for the design of the hat. Once I've figured out where I want it to go, I'm going to flip it over and use hot glue to glue down the sides of the ribbon. Now I'm taking the white chalk paint and painting both pieces of wood. Next, I'm taking some ribbon and measuring out how much I think I'll need for the hanger and the bow at the top. To secure it in place, I used a stapler and some hot glue. For the 10/6 card, I took some scrapbook paper that I had and started by tracing out a square. And once I cut that out, I rounded the edges. Next, I did my best to sketch the 10/6 on the paper. Then I took the box cutter and cut out the 10/6. Now that the wood is dry, I'm taking the letters that I got and I'm writing out the quote, "We're all mad here." Once I got the letters spaced out where I wanted them, I handed it over to my husband to cut it to the size that I wanted. Next, take the 10/6 card, tuck it into the burlap, and glue it down to the hat. For the center, you can use an M for the Mad Hatter, or as well you can use maybe a letter of your last name, or you can go ahead and use the quote, "We're all mad here," to put on the center of the hat as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and a very merry birthday to you.